Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your account contact and immediate access to the code source. Once done, open Roblox settings and enable any built-in two-step authentication so the system will accept codes. Make sure your device clock is set to automatic time, otherwise time-based codes fail. Now trigger a new code send from the action you were performing, because old codes often expire. Keep the email or phone screen visible and ready. This reduces delays and prevents mistakes when you paste or type the code. Once the code has been requested, go directly to the delivery channel and retrieve it. You should check spam folders and any SMS queues and refresh your Authenticator app to show the current token. Make sure the code matches exactly. Once you paste, verify there are no extra spaces or zeros mistaken for O letters. If you see a time mismatch or recurring failures, switch briefly to an alternate method. Use SMS if Authenticator fails, because redundancy solves most mid-process interruptions. You finish by entering the code and submitting. Once accepted, confirm the action completed inside Roblox. If it fails, do not retry endlessly. Wait 1 minute to 2 minutes, request a fresh code, and then try again while typing carefully. If problems persist, sync your device clock, clear the app cache, and try a different network or device because local network or clock issues often block verification. Finally, contact Roblox support only after these steps, since you will then have clear troubleshooting details to provide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.